What's up, guys? It's Deep. Got the garage up and finally able to start doing some work in here. It is beautiful. I absolutely love it. I've already got a little bit done before I brought out the camera. I'm about to take off the intake for you guys' satisfaction. Obviously, there's always a hose in the way or something in the way. Grab a pair of pliers and take this hose off real quick. Alright guys, so this is the footage that I took before I started talking. Well, it's coming off, guys. Finally got the intake manifold and everything all loosened up. There's always something holding it, right? I think I got everything, guys. Should be able to lift it up, pull it right off now, finally. Oh, you guys fell over right as it came off. Finally, the whole way off. It's about time. I fought this thing for the last hour. Alright guys, I'm putting in a lot of work the last couple of days. So happy to have this garage finally. I keep saying it. I can't help it. It's amazing. Yeah, I'm about ready. I'm going underneath right now. Pull out the motor mounts. Don't know how well you can see. Right back in there. The motor mounts and a trans mount. And I believe everything. Aside from, there's always wires and hoses and stuff that you missed, or obviously pulling out engines, but yeah, I'm ready. So you guys, the worst part about changing directions after you already started working on a project is I'm about to take out all the oil, and I literally just poured it in straight out of the jug, sat in the engine for a week, and now it's straight out. All that brand new oil. Alright guys, I'm to the point now where I'm ready to pull the engine out. Motor mounts are disconnected, trans mounts are disconnected. All I have to do is disconnect the shifter from inside and disconnect the drive shaft from the transmission. And I need to get an engine hoist up here to pull the engine out. Other than that, I'm ready. So I'm going to call this an end of the video, and thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Leave a like if you like it. Feel free to leave me any comments.